Earning money through data entry involves various tasks such as entering and updating information in databases, spreadsheets, or other software tools. To get started with data entry for income: skill enhancement. Familiarize yourself with typing and basic computer skills. Accuracy and speed are essential for data entry work. Search for opportunities. Look for freelance websites or job boards that offer data entry gigs. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and even traditional job platforms like Indeed might list data entry jobs. Create profiles and apply. Create profiles on these platforms highlighting your data entry skills and apply for relevant jobs. Emphasize your accuracy, typing speed, and attention to detail. Learn relevant software. Understand the software or tools commonly used in data entry tasks such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or specialized data management systems. Build a portfolio. As you complete projects, collect samples of your work. Positive feedback and a growing portfolio will help you secure more opportunities. Networking. Network with individuals and companies who might require data entry services. Cold emailing, direct messaging, or joining professional groups can help connect you with potential clients.